Born in Karachi on 17th February 1951, pilot officer Rashid Minhas Shaheed came from a Muslim Rajput family. His childhood years were spent in Karachi before the family relocated to Rawalpindi, the place where his deep passion for flying first developed. From a young age, aviation captivated him completely. He became absorbed in aero modelling, and his shelves filled with model planes and jet fighters stood as a silent testimony to his growing ambition. He received his early schooling from St. Mary's Academy, Cambridge School, Rawalpindi, an experience that built both his mind and his principles. This aspiration grew stronger when he joined PF School Lower Topa and subsequently joined 51st GDP course at PF Academy Risalpur in 1969. With discipline, perseverance and unwavering effort, Rashid Minhas received his wings and was commissioned as pilot officer in March 1971. He stepped forward not just as a pilot, but as a true air warrior. He was soon assigned to No. 2 Squadron at PF Base Moripur, Masroor, Karachi to begin operational training. Destiny challenged his commitment on 20th August 1971 during his second solo flight in a T-33A jet trainer. When pilot officer Rashid Minhas was taxiing towards the runway, his instructor, Flight Lieutenant Matiur Rahman, signalled him to stop the aircraft. He boarded the aircraft by force and once airborne, steered it toward Indian airspace. In that decisive instant, Rashid Minhas gauged the seriousness of the situation and decided to respond with courage. He promptly contacted air traffic control and stated clearly and steadily that his aircraft was being hijacked. When instructed to verify, he repeated the calls without hesitation. A fierce struggle then broke out inside the cockpit as pilot officer Rashid Minhas battled to regain command, contending with the interconnected flight controls and a disloyal opponent. He stood firm until the end, determined not to hand over Pakistan's aircraft or compromise his integrity. Displaying resolute determination, Rashid Minhas intentionally forced the jet towards ground inside Pakistan border. In this ultimate display of bravery, he embraced Shahadat while performing his duty. In recognition of his exceptional courage and self-sacrifice, he was posthumously awarded the Nishan-e-Haider, Pakistan's highest military gallantry award. He remains the youngest recipient of this honour and the only officer of the Pakistan Air Force to have earned it. His name is forever etched in the annals of national heroism.